Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nathanie. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below either side. And I don't know what I'm going to be doing today, but I thought that we should do a little catch up 2020. Happy New Year's. So that also happened. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please be sure to stick around for this video. I'm probably just going to do a quick get ready with me drugstore products, and then yeah, that's basically what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna be using the Mr. Price Scarlet Hill primer. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Hyper Pro Eyebrow Palette in this shade. This shade right here. So let me know down below what you guys did for your New Year's Eve. I also heard about people got shot in Melville. So that's the one thing I have stopped doing, is going out for New Year's, because I really love my life and I would like to enter into the new year pretty nice. Also, I'm back on the study wagon. Oh, I just need to get this degree done already. I am beyond tired already. Even though that's not how it should be, but you know, it is what it is. So I am back on that, and now I'm going to be doing a lot more studying wise, as in like I'm going to take more modules. So that's probably going to take up a lot of my time. So I'll probably be on YouTube as much as possible, but you know how it is. I'm going to try keep up with such a schedule and pre-film things for you. So if you have any video suggestions, please put a comment down below and I will get to that as soon as I can. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? I feel like the whole New Year's resolution vibe is like, it falls on dead is it dead lips? Falls on dead, I don't know. Anyways, I don't know the phrase, but I feel like people do that. They're like, no, this is gonna be new year, new me, and then they just fall back into their same habits. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to be more of a, trying to get into a better, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to get into a better pattern of things. Healthy eating would be a great thing. I've fallen in love, last year I fell back in love with the gym. And why can I not open this? So that for me is not a thing. Sorry. I am using the Makeup Revolution Iconic Reloaded Fever Palette. And I'm going in, oh my gosh, with this shade right here and this shade right here. So I'm just trying to get better habits. I have a very short temper. Well, not short temper, let's say I have little to no patience. So I'm trying to work on that as well this year. I'm also just trying to be more of a conscious person. You guys probably don't know this, but I have been single since birth. I have been single since birth, and every year I'm just like, I'm gonna get a boyfriend, I'm gonna get a boyfriend. But then like now I'm just like, I actually don't care. I used to be on a lot of the dating apps, but like I really just could care less right now. I am basically, I deleted all of my apps, and whenever something happens, it will happen, but I'm not going to be chasing after someone that is really not interested. And right now I'm so busy for that even. So, and literally in December, let me just get real with you guys. December, I started getting so lonely because everybody's booed up and Nathanie's there being a single fart. And basically I slid back into a few people that I used to know or used to have a thing with, just so I could feel some type of way. And that's not what you should do. This is why I'm trying to correct my behavior now already. And yeah, so there will be no such thing as boys in my life for 2020, right Kim? Yes.
I'm still single.
So basically Nathanie's gonna carry on her 25 years of single. Might as well carry on for 26 years. It just makes sense to carry on with what I started. So basically that's what I'm doing. I am Gucci over here. We are getting money, fucking bitches. Okay, maybe not fucking bitches, but Birdman. If you know that, you know that, but if you don't, it's okay. So basically that's what we're doing over here. So that's basically like my thing. I'm not in the mood for any drama, period. So trying to stay far away from the drama, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So the foundations that I'll be using today, I feel like we've been talking forever, is the Loreal Infallible, what is the shade? Oh, Infallible in the shade, I think it's Copper 340, and then also the Wet n Wild Cocoa foundation. Going in with my LA Girl concealer again, I'm going to highlight, conceal and highlight. Same shit. And so now I'm just gonna wait for the concealer to dry like a good minute, and then we will move on. So the reason why we actually leave the concealer to stay while we let the concealer dry a bit is for more coverage and for it to actually stay put where we have applied the concealer. It's just easier to do that, and it will last longer. So that is one of the reasons why we do that. Okay. So recently I have gotten onto the trend of using a puff to set your under eye and the rest of your face. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using my Yardley Absolute Translucent powder and translucent. Duh. So I'm just going to be patting it into this and then just like patting it on into the skin. And you also like to apply this powder anywhere you think you usually get oily. I wear glasses, so I will leave the powder there for a while. And I'm just going to take the butt of it and just keep pounding it into the skin. So I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix setting spray or fixing spray, sorry. And I'm just going to spray it on the butt part of my beauty sponge, and then I'm going to tap it on the back of my hand and then pounce it all over. And it's just to bring life back into your skin, just so that it's not so powdery. There's no powder residue left behind. You still look cutesy cute. So today we'll be using, and we've always been using it, truth be told, is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Palette. And the shade we will be using is this shade right here. Oh, I look cute. Okay. Okay, that's what I also like going in with this powder right. Oh, wrong brush. This powder right here, which is like a banana powder, or maybe not a banana powder, more like a brightening powder, which I usually just put underneath my eyes just so it brightens up a bit. That looks really good. Okay. Okay, so now we're probably gonna go into a highlighter, and we'll be using the Makeup Revolution Hidden Triple Baked Highlighter in the shade Hidden. Sorry, it's called Hidden. Ooh. A little bit on the nose and the bridge, and a little bit on the top of on the cupid's bow. It's so cute, actually. You know when you haven't used something in such a long time and you're like, what? You were here all this time? That's basically how I feel right now. Make a new mixture, because I've been using this mixture. It's the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm going to try and make a mixture with the Color Boost Essence mad about matte. Mad matters, sorry. So I'm just gonna line my lips with the brown liner. I've actually been loving to like overdraw my lips, which is really weird because I have such big lips. This actually looks cute. Anyways, so this is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.